If you struggle with food addictions, particularly carb addictions, let me tell you that that is one of the hardest addictions to kick, because it happened to me. I was addicted to carbs. I was over 20 pounds heavier and my energy was super low. I felt that my life was kind of going down with age. So I will explain to you the process that quiets the addiction and how I got there, why you should listen to me. Well, I am an addiction counselor. Everything I have done in my life has been to apply it on my own. For example, in 2009, I got a diploma as a professional coach, life coach, because I needed to understand firsthand, because that's my style of learning, how to overcome sadness and grief. I was destroyed. I was emotionally devastated. I my weight was 94 pounds. I had 3 ulcers. My thyroid stopped working. I lost my period. I was 38 years old. So I went through it all. Probably you are going through something like that. We tend to go to food for comfort, because I'm not going to get into all the jargon of what happens in our biochemistry, even though I will dedicate some videos to that, because it's important for some people to understand the process cognitively so we can take control of what happens in our head. Why? Because everything starts with a thought. Even when you open the fridge because you are bored and you decide to go for that snack, that is all a process that happens in your head. So there is different phases of overcoming addiction. But the first step is on the mind. If you do not understand the process, you cannot control what happens in your head. And emotions that happens to us because we interact with the environment, right? So something happens and we have a tendency to have one or other reaction. Generally is our system kicking oh my gosh, kicking into gear to help us to overcome whatever we are resisting or suffering, because we try to get out of there. And we are conditioned to use certain automatic jumps that, unless we can understand and control, it's going to control our lives. So what I want to do is to teach you how to become aware of that process so you can change it. You can take control of your life rather than letting life control you. The second step is, or the second phase is, what do you eat? How can you, because it's easy to say, okay, I understand I can't go to the cookies when I am sad or angry or bored, or just because I think about it. And it's like when you think about a lemon and you start salivating. Well, with food addiction, it's the same. And when you're addicted to a substance, such alcohol or any substance, you have to get rid of the substance, but first you have to understand why you are abusing the substance. You have to take control over your emotions. Then you go through a period of detox and keep the problematic substance out of your life. The problem with food is that you cannot get rid of food because you die. You need food. So what you have to do is to replace that food with foods that are going to assist you on jump over the roadblock that keeps you hooked to substances that you are only going to want more of. So you are going to consume food that causes and produce satiety. They are handy and you like it's a lot easier than you think. As you know, probably by now, this channel is super small. I believe this is my fourth video. I'm doing my best to improve everything. So I just wanted to explain to you that it can be achieved, and I am speaking because I went through it. So I am creating a course in how to overcome food addiction. I hope that you can follow me because this journey starts now, but I have huge plans for this channel. Not only about starting controlling your body, your physiology, your mind, because that is only the first step to change your whole life, to be in optimal health, to feel lighter on your feet so you can move. You can generate everything you need to live a long, prosperous life. So that is the reason why I created this channel. I hope that I can be of help to you. So please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you. By the way, tonight I will be in the podcast Zero Car Life. So I hope that no car life, not zero car life, no carb life. Dave is going to be with me, and I can't wait to share it with you. Have a fantastic journey, and let's start the first day of the rest of our life, no matter our age, with the right food. Have a blessed day.